So this is the Arduino question. Initially we can see that the status is safe and the door is open, and since we have a green light, we can also see this in our serial monitor. We can see the temperature and the humidity values which are denoted by the DHT11 sensor. We can see the vibration, which we don't have any vibration right now, and the door is currently open, so it is a safe state. So if we were to take the magnet and if we were to close the door, we can see that the LED turns red and the door is closed in the LCD. We can also see that in the serial monitor. So once we have removed it, goes back to the door being open. So now we can check the vibration sensor. So if we were to start vibrating, we are going to get a red signal which indicates that the system is unsafe, and we are going to also see that here. We can also see that in the LCD display, and the buzzer is also going on as we can listen. Now if we were to stop vibrating, the system goes back to being safe and there is no vibration,
and the system goes to green state.
So we here have a code for the Arduino part. Initially we are getting all the including all the libraries, and then we are setting up each sensor and output device. First we set up the LCD display, then the DHT11, and then we define the each pin number for each of the pins. Then we define the temperature and humidity threshold and other variables. So in the setup part, we are going to define each pin, whether it is an output, input, pull up or pull down, and then we started DHT11 and our LCD. So after that, for the loop, which is going to loop for every 1 second, we first start by taking in the variables of vibration, temperature, humidity, and door open. We are going to read them and then we are going to store them in these variables. Now we have got debugging output for the serial monitor, and then we determine now if there is an hazard or not based on we have a vibration or if the temperature and humidity values are greater than the threshold values. And now if we have an hazard, we are going to show it on the LCD, and then we are going to get started with the buzzer, and then we are going to flash the red LED. If there is no hazard, we are going to check if the door is open, then there should be nothing playing on the buzzer. And if the door is open, it is not an issue, we are going to get a green light from our LED. And if door is not open, we are going to show a red light from our LED.